Google has major Gmail website redesigned. The company is now rolling out a new experience that links up Meet, Chat, and Spaces, its messaging, video, and group conversation features, into the main Gmail client. It also launches Google's Material U design feature that makes the Compose button a squared rectangle and adding a new shade to the Compose button, side panel, and emails that have been read. Material U is coming for every user, while the new integrated view, which has the side panel with Mail, Chat, Spaces, and Meet icons, is rolling out to everyone who enabled the chat function. For users that do not like the new format, they can switch back to the old Gmail view through the Quick Settings menu. Navigate to at the top right, click Settings, then under Quick Settings, click Go back to the original Gmail view, then click Reload. Label lovers will see separate sections for system labels, like starred, snoozed and important, and custom labels you make yourself. And people who love to chat will see conversation bubbles with snippets of incoming messages, along with options to quick reply instead of opening the full message, Google said in a blog post announcing the change. Google is also bringing search chips to the inbox, to quickly search through unread messages or emails with an attachment, and improved search results that suggest better matches. Later this year, Google will also be improving the Gmail experience for tablet users with better emojis, new accessibility features and more.